So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once we're here, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them, so click on both of them. It's now going to start downloading. Now once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both of these downloads. We're now going to install them one by one. So the first one on my list is going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. You want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Now once it's been installed, you want to click on close. And now for the next one, I'm going to double click on it. And then click on I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. It's going to start installing. Once that's been done, you want to click on close. For the next step, you want to go to the next link, which will be down below in the description, to download DirectX and use a runtime web installer. Now once we're here, you want to choose your language and then click on download. And then click on the setup. And then click on yes. Once this comes up, you want to click on I accept. And then click on next. We can untick this box. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. And then click on next. It's now going to start downloading components. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing components. And then once that's been done, you want to click on finish. For the next step, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.